like a Hellcat.
Welcome guys back to my channel. I hope you guys would like and subscribe, share my videos to your friends and family. And today I'm playing Free Fire and I'm going to do a challenge that is called Only Pistol Challenge. So the only guns I can use is a pistol. I cannot use another gun, so it's only a pistol. I think I have tried the challenge already with my friends, but I only played it for a few minutes, like 5 minutes or so. But if you just land on the right place, in a good place, and you have a good type of pistol, you're good. You can actually win the game like that. It can be easy, depends on the type of player you are. We're almost in the game. Where am I going to land? I'm going to land. I'm going to land. Hangar. I'm going to land hangar. No, I'm going to try and go to Bemasaki Strip, whatever it's called. I do not know how to pronunciate that word. But if you guys know how to say it, comment down below saying that you know how to say it. I hope I find a pistol, because I cannot take another gun, and there's someone right there. I should hide behind this tree. No! And he killed me. And he had a SMG. He had a scope pistol as well. Not too bad. I died straight away. I had a bad landing. Well, I'm gonna try again. I hope that this time I don't have a bad landing, because if I do, I might actually die, because someone might have like a VSS or SCAR or FAMAS, and they just shoot me right away and I die. So I hope I would at least reach in the top 10 or top 15, because the challenge is really easy, but it depends on what type of player you are. I'm back. We're gonna enter the plane right now. I'm going to see if I could land the same place and land on a proper house, not land on the road. So hope for the best. I'm just hoping for the best right now. It jumped. It glitched just now. Where am I going to land? Just which house? Which house? How much people are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 people are here. Well, I was gonna land there, but never mind. This house, all the time when I'm landing here, always has a pistol. Too bad I cannot pick that up. I wish I could have picked it up, but I cannot. There is ammo. There is ammo, and there is a pistol. Thank the Lord, because this is the only gun I can use for the rest of the game. All I can do is stack up on medkits and bullets. I could try to attack people. I could try. I can stay inside the vehicles, but I'm not going to be like that. I'm going to actually try and engage with people. There's someone over there. Oh, guy. More ammo. There's someone. And I'm lagging. I was lagging like crazy. It's like anytime I'm in a fight, I have to lag